Mr. Bukki Ponle, the Managing Director, News Agency of Nigeria (NAN), says the agency will work with the National Troupe of Nigeria to promote the unity of the country. Ponle said this when the Artistic Director, Chief Executive Officer of the troupe, Mr. Ahmed Mohammed, paid him a courtesy visit in Abuja. The Managing Director assured the National Troupe of total support in the coverage of all its activities aimed at unifying and promoting the nation's growth and development.
As I said earlier, strengthening our relationship with you, strengthening the collaboration with you, so that at the end of the day, we can make Nigeria greater than what it is now. When we are passing through this stage, we will get over it, inshallah. We will get over it. And Nigeria will bounce back, I believe. We won't disintegrate. We will come together. And we will use culture also to bind us, because we have been one all along, and we will remain one in unity, in joy, in peace, in progress, and happiness. We assure you that we give you 100% coverage in all your activities, 100% collaboration in whatever you want us to do, as long as it promotes the oneness of Nigeria, it promotes the growth and development of our country, and it makes meanings to humanity.
According to him, the agency has a competent multimedia unit that produces video and audio in addition to its text. He said that the agency planned to establish a solution journalism desk, which would be launched soon. According to Ponle, solution journalism is aimed at getting to the root cause and proffer solutions.
When you talk to NAN, you talk to the whole world, because we have a potpourri of activities, just one-stop shop. We write in form of text messages. We have the features department, which encapsulates whatever activities we want to have by going places and reporting the positive way. It's not just reporting sake. What are the consequences? What have such things led us into? What lesson we have learned? Sharing all these lessons and following up to the end. It's not just going to be one report and we go to bed. We follow it to the end and provide solution, and we ensure that we make a positive impact in the society and to the people in communities or in areas where the report is being focused. We want to document all our historic heritage sites in the country, although it has been done, but it has not been done by now. We wanted to do it about 10 years ago, but one or two things have happened. But we are going to revive the project now. We go out to all heritage sites in the country, compile in video form, in text form, in photography form. And since your organization is part of that, we will visit you and we want to collaborate with you.
Earlier, Mohammed said that the visit was to strengthen the National Troupe's collaboration on news dissemination.
To also, once again, seek that collaboration that has been happening in the past, because all of us are geared towards information dissemination, but in the right mood, in the right way, present our country in the right direction. The news agency happens to be one of the pillars that really introduces us to the world globally, because whatever you chunk out to the world and whatever any other media buys from you is telling you on the country. So we're also part of the package that need to be sold out to the world, so that you could be able to know that yes, this country has a national troupe that can be able to present this country in any fora.